Hello my lovelies, I am back once again with another delicious video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Pastelitos Salvadoreños step by step. So I hope you enjoy. They're juicy, they're tasty, they're crunchy, so let's begin. We're gonna start by browning some ground beef that I have already pre-seasoned with all the seasonings that I like. Now, I forgot to buy a lot of vegetables that I needed for this recipe, but it does not matter, it ended up tasting delicious anyway. You wanna make sure that you brown everything completely. Vegetables that you could add are peas, carrots, potatoes, onions, garlic, peppers. And I'll finish off the meat filling with 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and mixing. We're gonna add 2 cups of white corn flour. I ran out, so I had to add purple corn flour as well. We're then gonna add some salt, some chicken stock with a little coloring, and mix everything together. We're gonna mix our dough until everything comes together. We don't wanna overdo it though, because then we're gonna get a hard dough. Now we're gonna take our dough and we're gonna make little golf-sized type of balls. We're then gonna make a little dent in the center, kind of like making a hole or making a little nest. We're then gonna fill el pastelito with the beef filling. We wanna make sure that we don't overfill it though, because then it's gonna be difficult to close, and when it fries, it might open up. But we do wanna take out all that excess dough. After taking off the excess dough, we're now going to form kind of like little log type of pastelitos, and we're gonna fry them for about 3 minutes on each side or until golden brown. So after roughly 6 minutes, we're now gonna take the pastelitos and we're gonna put them on top of some paper towel so that the paper towel can absorb any extra oil that they still might have on them. And voila, we have our delicious Pastelitos Salvadoreños. You could also have a pork filling or chicken filling, and you could also have a tomato sauce, a dipping sauce together with el curtido. And here I am again with my trusty volunteer, like always. So here in front of you, I have Pastelitos Salvadoreño with curtido. They are beef, they have a beef filling, and I would like to know, together with my viewers, what you think about it.
Okay, let's see how it is. Please.
Just be careful, it's a little hot.
It's delicious, man. I like it. It's like crunchiness. So it's similar like empanada, but they have a different taste. But it's good. I give you 10.
So I passed the taste test.
Yeah, you passed the taste.
Okay. So I want to thank everybody for watching. I hope you guys are safe. Please subscribe, and we will be back with more delicious videos for you from my home to yours. Bye.